Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to this video. This is a very special one. It is my 100th video on YouTube. I'm also doing a giveaway on this video. I'm going to be giving away two different winners, $100 to Amazon, and I have my new intro. If you're new here, my name is Callie, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I do 3 videos a week. I would love to have you join my little YouTube fam. I have a bunch of tips for you that I've learned along the way if you guys want to start your own YouTube channel, because honestly, if I'm doing it, if I'm sitting here doing it, you can too. So stay tuned for that. I am so excited to show you guys. Check out my new intro. Here it is. All right, let me know in the comments what you guys think of my new intro. We filmed it a couple months ago and it just took us a while to start working on it. We filmed that in California. It was such a good day. All right, enough of that. So this is my 100th video. I can't even believe I've done 100 YouTube videos. Also, I just passed 1,500 subscribers. So I want to say thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. And if you enjoy them at all, or learn anything, like, I am just so grateful to have you guys and have your support. So I thought, what better way to kind of celebrate 100 videos with just sharing with you guys all the things that I've learned so far on my YouTube journey. And maybe you guys want to start your own channel. And honestly, it's not hard. It's not hard at all. The hardest part is just starting. Once you start, it's not that big of a deal. I'll get into the giveaway towards the end of the video and give you guys the details on how to enter and all that good stuff. But right now, let's get into all the good tips for starting your own YouTube channel. So my first tip is to at least give it 1 year. If you're not willing to film and upload videos consistently for like 1 year, I would say probably don't even bother unless you're just kind of wanting to do it for fun and like have videos on there for memories or whatever. But if you're serious about starting a YouTube channel, it's not just gonna happen overnight. You're not just gonna have 1 million subscribers and like be making money and all that. Like, it takes a lot of work, a lot of time, and if you're not willing to put in the time, it's probably just not for you. The next thing is to try to stick to a schedule as much as you can. Figure out what works for you, and if you can do 1 video a week, if you could do 2, just try to really stick to that. It helps you just, get the videos out. And if you're just kind of randomly uploading, all of a sudden months have gone by and you haven't uploaded anything, and that's not going to make your YouTube channel grow. What really helps it grow is just being consistent, consistently putting out videos week after week after week, month after month after month. And pretty soon you'll see what people are really wanting to watch from you. And then you can just focus on those videos and do more of that. But in the beginning, like, you really have to just focus on being consistent and not just trying to like upload randomly when you feel like it, because we all know life just goes where it wants to go and goes by way too fast. Pretty soon it's like, where did this year go? And especially with 2020, I don't know what it is about this year, but it's flying by. And when everything first started, I kind of put filming on hold. I kind of just took time to figure out, what's going on in life. I felt like the beginning part, I just really wanted to focus on friends and family and my relationships, because when things happen in life, I feel like you always are pulled back to what's really important to you. And of course, that's what's most important to me. So I kind of took a step back from filming. And then as the months went on, I was like, okay, this isn't ending anytime soon. If I'm going to film, I need to just start filming. So the last several months, I've been filming really consistently. I've been really excited to film. I finally figured out my lighting to where I'm happy with it, and I am excited to edit my videos now. I'm like, it's to the point where I am excited to film and excited to edit. It's never feels like a chore or a job to me. So I think that's important too, is to be excited about it. That was one of my tips, is just be excited about it. Have fun. If you're not having fun, nobody else is gonna have fun watching your videos. If you're just kind of bored and you're like, I'm just gonna film this whatever video just because I have to film it, and you're not excited to do it, you're not having fun, like that's probably not something people want to watch. So just make sure you're into whatever you're doing. And I can guarantee you, if you're excited, your viewers will be too. Another thing that I've been doing really regularly, especially the last like 6 months, is anytime I have like the slightest thought of an idea or anything for a video, I will write it down. I use Google Keep on my iPhone. You can use whatever you want. I just think Google Keep works the best. I love just the way it works and the system it has. I just like it a lot better than the notes section on an iPhone. So anytime I have any kind of idea, even if I'm like, oh, I'll remember that. No, you will not remember it. Write it down. Like put it in your notes, even if it's in the middle of the night, even if it's just like a random thought, like, oh, that'd be kind of fun, or like, maybe I could talk about that. Or even if it's just an idea for a video that you've already written down, write it down. It makes it so much easier when you have stuff written down already that you can just go back to when you need something to film, instead of trying to remember, you know, what was it, that thing that I wanted to film, or what was that thing I wanted to say, or, you know, I had that thought. Like it always leaves your mind. It always goes away. Just write it down the instant you think of it, and it will be there waiting for you when you need it. Another thing I want to talk about is not being afraid to offend people. There's so many YouTubers, and I know I do it too, that it's like they start out a video with like, I hated this, and then they're like, but if you like it, like you can like it. I'm sure it's great for you. I'm sorry. I like this brand though. They have great stuff. I like all their other stuff. They're all great. I don't want to offend anybody. I don't want to say bad things about this company. You can't not offend somebody. It's going to happen. Just be yourself and don't worry about it. Like, of course, don't be offensive unless that you want to. Please don't be offensive. Just try to be as respectful as you can without being really rude to people. Like, I try to say things, you know, this is my opinion, you know, take it or leave it, but you're always going to offend somebody. So just know that going into it, that there's going to be haters. There's going to be people that say rude things for no reason. All that is them showing that they are angry about something in their own life and they need to take it out on somebody. That's it. It really has nothing to do with you. And most of the time, the comments I get don't even make sense. Like, you'd think they would come up with a good insult that actually like makes sense, or, you know, like, I don't know, but like a lot of the times I'm like, what did that even mean? Like, I'm more confused than hurt or angry. It's gonna happen. They're out there. Just know that when you start a YouTube channel, you're opening yourself up to criticism. You're opening yourself up to getting hate comments. You can block them. You can not respond to them. That's all great. But like, if it really is going to affect you that much and cause you to be really insecure or just really be angry, if you can't let those things go, I wouldn't suggest starting a YouTube channel, because it's just gonna happen. I don't know, like the world today, we have online haters and they're just gonna hate no matter what you do. So kind of along with that is just being confident. I know when I started, I felt like, I still even feel like sometimes I'm like, do I even know what I'm talking about? Like, I feel like I'm like, oh, this is great. And then other people are gonna be like, no, that's not, you don't know what you're talking about. I don't know. I feel like I have the experience. I know what I'm talking about. So just know that you're confident in whatever your YouTube videos are about. Or if you're just vlogging, like, don't be shy. Just be yourself. Be confident in who you are. Show your real self. Show what you want to show. And people are going to enjoy watching your videos so much more if you're confident and outgoing and you show your personality, no matter how silly or crazy or weird it is, because we all are weird somewhere inside. And just like, let that show, because that's what people want. People want to see real. If you're starting a YouTube channel, just be confident in knowing that that's who you are, and people can take it or leave it, because not everyone's gonna like your channel or your videos, and that's fine. Also, something to think about is just knowing that it is gonna be a process. And I know there are people that literally upload one video and get like millions of subscribers overnight. I don't know how that happens. I wish that would happen for me, but it just hasn't. The chances are that you're just gonna have to be consistent and just grow your channel slowly, and it's just gonna take time. And there are gonna be days where you get a lot of subscribers and you get a lot of views and a video just takes off and you get a lot of views on a certain video. And then there's also days where you feel like nothing's really happening. Nobody really watched that video that you uploaded that day. Nobody's really finding your old videos and you're not getting new subscribers. And you just have to know that doing YouTube just has its ups and downs. There's gonna be hills, there's gonna be valleys. And you just kind of have to know that going in so that you don't get disappointed and discouraged. That's just going to make you want to stop doing it. If you're just going into it thinking that it's just, you're going to be an overnight success, just start making money right away. I still don't even make money. It's a long process and some days are better than others, but you just have to keep going. Just decide that you want to do it and it's worth it to you to keep going. Also, when you first start out, you kind of want to do different types of videos just to see what your audience is more interested in. Some of my most popular videos are decluttering videos, decluttering my makeup, or like TJ Maxx hauls, which to me, I wouldn't think that those would be the most popular ones, but you kind of want to just do a bunch of different videos. Don't just start out and only do one type of video. They can be, you know, all related to the same thing, but try different things and you'll see, you know, if you get a lot of views on one thing, you know that that's going to be a good subject for you to do videos on. So just keep doing those videos, but you kind of have to test it out and see and do an array of different types of videos. See which one people are finding you for and subscribing to your channel from, and just focus on those. Another tip I have is to find a Facebook group. There's a bunch of different groups out there that basically everybody's got a YouTube channel and you just kind of come together and support each other. You kind of build a support system of other YouTubers that will watch your videos and then you can watch theirs, and it just helps to have other people. You can ask them questions. It's just a great way to like have a little community of other YouTubers outside of YouTube that can kind of support and grow together. It's just been really nice. There's a bunch of them out there. I would only suggest doing maybe one or two, just because once you get involved in one, you don't really have time to like post in all of them because it can be time consuming. Another thing I thought of was to split up really long videos. So if you have a video that's probably going to be like 30-45 minutes, split it up into 2 or 3. I think the best video is an average of like 10 minutes. So if it's, you know, double, triple, quadruple that, like split it up, and that way you're going to have a lot more videos to choose from. People are more likely to watch a couple minutes of each video once they come out every week or so, rather than sit there and watch one like 45-minute video. So you're gonna end up having more videos to choose from and more videos that people could find you from searches and everything. I feel like it just helps a lot to kind of split up those really long videos. Another thing is be creative with your thumbnails. That's the thing that people are drawn to and will actually click on. So if it's just kind of a boring looking thumbnail, nothing exciting, people aren't gonna click on it. You really wanna show them something that is great about your video and give them a reason to click on it, whether that's colorful or using emojis. They just experiment doing different things and just see what people are responding to more, but really focus on that and pay attention to that because it is very important. If people aren't clicking on your videos, it doesn't matter how great your video is, they're not going to be seeing it. Also, let me know in the comments if you want a more detailed video of how I do my thumbnails. I can show you the apps and the process that I use, and I would love to do that video for you guys if you're interested. Another one is to be humble and think of YouTube as a community and not just a fan base. I think that's really important to pay attention to the people who are watching your videos and subscribing to you. If they're leaving you comments, like make sure to take the time to leave comments back and treat them with respect, not just be like, oh yay, thank you for watching, I'm so great. If you show them that you care about them, I mean, that's the whole reason that you would have a successful YouTube channel, is if you have a lot of people watching your videos. So it's really those people that put you in that position that you can do a YouTube channel. So just really be mindful of being respectful and just supporting that group of people, and not just being like, and just being very humble. And I'm so thankful anytime anybody watches any of my videos, and I try to comment to everybody. I know if you're a bigger YouTuber, that's not possible to comment to everybody, but when you're still small, you can take that time to reply back to people and find out about them, and you know, go watch their video if they have a YouTube channel also, and help support each other. But it's a great community. Like, we all can support each other, kind of like building friendships. I just really wanted to put that out there, that like, don't just, you know, put out a video and then don't respond to anybody, don't care about anybody. Like, really reach out to people and let them know that you care about them. They're the reason why you're here. So my last tip for starting a YouTube channel is just do it. There's all these people that want to start it, and it's like, oh, I need to do this first. I need to do this. I need to get a camera. I need to... If you have a phone, if you have a iPhone, you can start a YouTube channel. Get in front of a window, have some natural light. That's all you need. Like, seriously, just start. I feel like my lighting changed, but I'm not sure. My camera just died. So if it did change, I'm sorry. But I'm almost done. So step number 1 is subscribe to my YouTube channel. Step number 2 is comment on this video down below. Tell me what you would get from Amazon if you won, and also your Instagram name. Step number 3 is follow me on Instagram. It's just Callie Milam. So for extra entries, comment on my Instagram photo for the giveaway and just tag your friends. Each friend you tag is an extra entry, and I will have all the rules and stuff down below as well. But I will pick a winner on July 1st. I will message you on Instagram. All right, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for coming to my 100th video. Still can't believe it's here. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.